This video shows you block a contact on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Follow these quick and easy steps to stop unwanted calls and messages from a specific person in just a few taps. Open the Contacts applications. You can find it on your home screen or in the app screen. This app stores all the contacts saved on your device and is the easiest place to manage them. Browse through your contact list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you want to block. Once you've found the contact, tap their name to open their contact details. On the contact information page, tap More. Depending on your phone's software version, this option may appear at the bottom of the screen or inside the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the available options, select Block Contact. A confirmation message may appear explaining that the contact will no longer be able to call or message you through the phone and contacts apps. Tap Block or Confirm to complete the process. After blocking the contact, calls from that number will be automatically rejected and you won't receive notifications for incoming calls from them. If supported by your carrier or messaging app, text messages from the blocked contact may also be filtered or blocked. If you ever decide to allow the person to contact you again, simply open the same contact, tap More, and choose Unblock Contact. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial.